Visual Paradigm AI-powered textual analysis tool can help you to bootstart your project from scratch. By simply specify the application domain, the AI engine will help you to generate problem description and perform further analysis on it to identify classes and relationships, eventually generate the class diagram for you. Now let's see how it works. In Visual Paradigm application, go to Tools, Apps. Select Software Development, go to page 2, and press Start Now under Textual Analysis. Enter the name of the application we want to generate. The AI engine will then generate the problem description of the target system. So far it looks fine. We can then press the Identify Candidate Classes button to let the system find out the classes. The list of candidate classes are being generated, including the reason why it being picked up as classes, as well as its description. Next, we press the Identify Class Details button to let the engine find out the details for each class. The result shows the class along with its attributes and operations. After review the class details, we then press the Identify Class Relationships button to generate the relationships between classes. The list of relationships between classes, including the description and relationship type, are being shown. Now everything is ready. Let's press the Generate Diagram button to let the engine put them together into a diagram. The class diagram is now being generated. We can zoom in and scroll around to see the details. Let's try to modify the AI-generated problem description. We go back to the problem description, add extra detail to instruct the engine that an analytics dashboard is needed for the system, and generate candidate classes again. This time, the analytics dashboard is being identified as one of the candidate class. Repeat the previous steps to generate the class details, relationships, and the diagram. How can we further edit the generated diagram? We can open this diagram in Visual Paradigm Online. Once the diagram is being opened, press the cloud icon at top left to save the diagram into VP Online Workspace. Go back to Visual Paradigm Desktop. Go to Team, Import from Web Diagram. Select the diagram from the list and press Import button. Now it being converted into desktop-based diagram for further editing. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.